Hello everyone, today I am going to start very important topic, that is aptitude mock interview practice set number 4. Practice set 1, practice set 2 and practice set 3 we have already done. Now let us see the question. The first question is what? 0.5 is how much percent of 5? This is very important question and we can solve this question without use of pen and paper. Very easily, only read the question carefully. 0.5 is how much percent of 5? So we have to find percentage of 0.5 with respect to 5. So simple trick is what? 0.5 multiply 100 divided by 5. So there is a 0.5, so remove 0.110 remainder. So 10 and 1010 cancel out, 5 cancel. Your answer is what? 10%. So 10% is correct answer. Now I am solving this question also. So simple technique is 0.5 multiply 100 and comparing number is 5. When you remove this 5, you will get here 10. So this 0 cancel and this 5 cancel. You will get what? 10%. So for this type of question, we can use direct method. 0.5 multiply 100 and 5. When you remove point, 10 came in denominator, 0 cancel, 5 cancel, 10% is right answer. Let us see the question number 2. The question 2 is also very important question. The question 2 is what? Cost price of 11 pen is equal to selling price of 10 pen. Find the loss percent or gain percent. This type of question generally asked in the interview. So very important question. For this type of question, we can solve again this question without help of any pen and paper. That you can use. So technique is what? First you check article with cost price and article with selling price. If the article with selling price is less, then there is a profit. And if the article with selling price is greater, then there is a loss. So if there is a profit or loss percent, difference of article multiply 100 divided by article with selling price. So we can solve this question directly. 11 minus 10 into 100 divided by 10. So difference is 1 only. So 1 into 100 by 6. So again your answer is what? 10%. So again this is the 10% what? That is gain. This is your correct answer. So we can solve this question directly. Now I'm solving this also. So cost of 11 pen and here selling price of 10. So article with selling price is less. So there is a profit or gain. So we can write gain percent. Gain into a difference of article, that 11 minus 10 into 100 divided by article with selling price, that is 10. So this 0 cancel, you will get 1 into 10, that is 10% character. In this way we can solve this question directly from here. Difference 1, so 1 into 100 divided by article with selling price 10, so 0 cancel, your answer is 10% correct answer. Now see the question number 3rd. The third question is what? If cost price of 19 article is equal to selling price of 20 article, find the percentage gain or loss percent. This is also the same second type of the question. So we can solve this question again without help of any paper and pen. So here article with say cost price is 19 and here article with selling price is 20. So article with selling price is greater. So there is a loss. So again the same trick, loss percent, difference of article into 100. So difference is what? Only 1. So 1 into 100 divided by article with selling price 20. So 25 is 100. So our correct answer is what? 5% loss. So here our answer is loss percent equal to what? Yeah, loss percent equal to 5%. So 5% loss is correct answer. So now we are solving this question. So again the same trick, loss percent equal to difference of article. So article is 20 and 90 into 100 and divided by article with selling price, that is 20. So 25 is 100. This is 1. So 1 into 5, 5%. So 5% what? That is loss. So 5% loss is your correct answer. This is the right answer. In this way, we can solve directly. Difference means 20 minus 19, 1. So 1 into 100 divided by article but with selling price. 20, 25 is 100. 5% loss is correct answer. Now see the question number 4. The fourth question is also very important question. So what is the fourth question? If ratio of selling price SP and cost price is 4:5, then we have to find loss percent or gain percent. For this type of question, again we can solve directly in mind only without use of any paper and pen. In mind we can solve. So selling price, cost price. So first will be selling price, second will be cost price. You know, profit gain is when selling price is greater and loss when selling price is less. So here selling price 4:, cost price 5. So selling price is less. So there is a loss. So loss will be what? Difference into 100. So difference is 1. So 1 into 100 divided by cost, that is 5. So 5 to the 10. So our correct answer is what? 20% loss. So this is correct answer. Now we are solving this question. For this type of question, selling price, cost price. So selling price is 4, cost price is 5. So you know that if selling price is less, then there is a what? Loss. So here loss is what? Loss equal to selling price minus cost. So cost price 5 and selling price 4. So loss is what? 1. And we know loss percent equal to what? Loss into 100 and divided by cost price. Here cost price is given 5. So 5 to the 10, 20%. So for this type of question, we solve directly in mind. Is selling price, cost price. So difference into 100 divided by cost price. So cost price is 5:, difference is 1. So 1 into 100 by 5, 20. And here selling price less, so there is a loss. So correct answer is what? 20% loss. Now let us see the question number 5. So question 5 is also very important question. Here selling price and cost price ratio is again given. We have to find percentage gain or loss. Again the same type of question, but here different is what? Here selling price ratio is 3 and cost price ratio is 2. So here selling price is greater than cost price. So when selling price is greater, then there is a profit. So rule will be same, profit percent equal to difference of selling price, cost price into 100. So 1 into 100 and divided by cost price, that is 20. So 100 by 2, 50. So our correct answer will be what? That is 50% gain. This is your correct answer. We can solve directly. Now I am solving this question also. So selling price 3, cost price 2. So selling price greater, so there is a profit. So profit is how much? Selling price minus cost price. So 3 minus 2, and this is profit. So we will find profit percent. So profit into 100 divided by cost price. So cost price is what? Ratio is given 2. So 2 5s are 10. So our correct answer is what? 50%. In this way we can solve directly. In interview you will solve this question directly. Difference in 200 divided by cost price. If selling price greater, then there is a profit. So our answer is 50% profit is correct answer. The question number 6. The question number 6 is also very important question, and this type of question are generally asked in interview. So what is the question? Ratio of selling price and gain given. Here profit is given and selling price. Selling price and gain ratio given 3:1. And we have to find gain percent. So we know in mind gain percent is what? Gain into 100 divided by cost price. So here cost price is not given. So when selling price and gain ratio given, then cost price will be what? Difference. So 3 minus 1, 2. So we can use directly because gain is given 1. So 1 into 100 by 2, that is 50%. So your correct answer is what? 50% gain. That is directly you can write. Now I am solving this question also because here SP given and gain given. So you can write that is SP equal to 3 and here gain. Gain is given 1. So SP is known, gain is known. So we can find cost price. Cost price is what? SP and minus gain. So SP is 3 and this is what? 1. So 3 minus 1, 2. Now we have to find gain percent. So you know gain percent is what? Gain into 100 divided by cost price, that is 2. So correct answer is what? 50%. But this can be solved directly in this way. Whenever selling price and gain given, we have to find gain percent. Then simple technique is what? Take difference. Selling price minus gain 2. 2 will be what? Cost price. So gain percent, gain 3. So 1 into 100 by 2. Directly your answer is what? 50% is our correct answer. See the question number 7. This is the question number 7. It is also very important question. What is given? Ratio of selling price and loss is given 4:1. We have to find loss percent. So again the same thing. Loss percent is what? Loss into 100 divided by cost price. So what is technique here? Selling price and loss is ratio given. So selling price and loss given, we can find cost price, selling price and loss. So trick is what? Loss into 100, that is 1 into 100 divided by 4 plus 1, 5. So 1 into 100 by 5, 20%. So here our direct answer is what? Loss percent equal to what? 20% is our correct answer. Now I am solving this question. So again here we know selling price is 4 and suppose loss is what? 1. So selling price given, loss given, we can find cost price. So loss, selling price and plus loss. So this is what? 4 plus 1, 5. Right? Now we can find loss percent. So loss percent is loss into 100 divided by cost price. So this is 2. So this is what? 20%. So here we have, this is in ratio, but here we have not written just like 4k and any other. We have taken 4:1 because it will be cancelled out when we go for the denominator. Okay. So no need to do this. Just we have solved this question for understanding. Now this is mainly the technique. When this type of question comes, selling price and loss percent is given, then cost will be additions. 4 plus 1, 5. Our answer is loss percent we have to find. So 1 into 100 by 5, 20% is our correct answer. The question number 8. The 8th question is also very important question, and this is a simple division of the decimal. So this type of question generally asked, can be asked in the interview, that the student have a knowledge of decimal or not. So 0.02 divide 0.02. So most important is what? Just to see the decimal. Here after decimal 2 digit, here after decimal 3 digit. So difference of 1 digit. So that you can say your answer is what? 10. So 10 is the correct answer. Why? Because here after decimal 2 digit, here 3 digit. So that answer will be difference of 1 digit. So 10 is the right answer. Now I am solving this question. So you can solve this question like this in mind. 0.02. Okay. And this is divide 0.002. So you can write this number 2 by 100. And this can be write 2 upon what? 1000. So this is 2 by 100 divide go multiply. It will become reciprocal. So this 2 cancel, this 0 and this here this 0, 2 0 here cancel. You will get what? 10. So this is the basic rule for finding this type of the question. So our answer is 10, but this is only for understanding. You can use that method. This trick is what? After decimal 2 digit, here after decimal 3 digit. So difference of 1 digit. So our answer will be 10. 10 is correct answer. The question number 9. The 9th question is also very important question, and this type of question generally verbally asked in the mock interview type question. 1 kilometer per hour is what? In meter per second. Or you can say change the 1 kilometer per hour in meter per second. Then you remember in mind, direct answer is what? 5 by 18 meter per second. This is your direct answer. So you can learn this number. 1 kilometer per hour is what? 5 by 18 meter per second. Now in solving this question also see. So here it is given 1 kilometer per hour. So 1 kilometer, you know, 1000 meter. And hour is what? So 1 hour how much second? 60 into 60. So this is what? 60 into 60. So this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. So this is what? 5 upon 18 meter per second. Okay? But no need to this. You have to learn directly the technique. 1 kilometer per hour how much? 5 by 18 meter per second is the right answer. See the question number 10, that is the last question of this mock interview. So this is what? 10th question is what? 500 meter per second is how much? Kilometer per hour. That means we have to change this meter per second in kilometer per hour. So just to know the trick in verbally without use of any paper and pen. 1 meter per second is what? 18 by 5. So 500 into 18 by 5. So 1800 kilometer per hour is your right answer. So you can write directly 1800 kilometer per hour. Now solving this question. So you have to remember 1 meter per second is what? That is 18 upon 5 kilometer per hour. Okay. So 1 meter per second is 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So we need to change 500 meter per second. So multiply this number by 18 by 5. So 5 1 ja 500. So this is what? 1800 kilometer per hour. This is the correct answer. So just remember this, 1 meter per second is how much? 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. In this way we have solved every 10 question, 1 to 10 question in a very easy way. So please solve the question 1 to 10 all questions, and we have already done practice 1, practice 2, practice 3. Those students who have not seen the practice 1, practice 2, practice 3, that you also see that video, and after that practice number 4. After that again this is a series. We go daily practice set number 5, 6 and so on. Thank you.